Shivani Institute of Management సార్థక్ కాన్వకేషన్ ఇవాళ అయింది. నన్ను గెస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆనర్గా పిలిచారు. అది నాకు ఒక ఆనర్గా నేను ఫీల్ అవుతున్నాను. ఈ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ చాలా మంచి ఎడ్యుకేషన్ తమ స్టూడెంట్స్కి ఇచ్చి వాళ్ళకి ఎంకరేజ్మెంట్ ఇచ్చి, ఇక్కడ ఫ్యాకల్టీ నాకు చెప్పింది ఏంటంటే ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ హ్యాస్ బీన్ ప్లేస్డ్. More than 95% of the students have been placed, which is an excellent performance. There was a very detailed convocation. Andarki certificates ivadam jarigindi, and really the highlight was all the gold medalists. Vallandarni peruna pilchi, Madam Aarti garu, Dr. Sailesh garu, vallaki hand over chesi plus cash award kuda ichi vallaki oka manchi take off ఇచ్చారు అని నేను అనుకుంటున్నాను. సో ఐ రియల్లీ కంగ్రాచులేట్ ద స్టూడెంట్స్ అండ్ ద Shivani Institute of Management.
50th convocation of Shivani Institute of Management, the 98th birth anniversary of our founder, and the Blue Sapphire Jubilee year that Shivani is entered into this year. So there are two important decisions that have been taken as far as the Management Institute is concerned. One is the society running these institutions has decided to provide a scholarship of 1 lakh in addition to whatever is presently eligible for all the students to children of defense personnel. So they will get a 1 lakh scholarship in addition to whatever they are eligible for, like any other student. The second thing is a 65-year-old institution looking out for talent from the top global institutions in the world has taken a decision to sponsor one alumni of the group institutions every 5 years, and the sponsorship amount starting with the 65th year is 65 lakhs. 5 years later it will become 70 lakhs, and then it will go on increasing by 5 lakhs every year. This is to ensure that whatever good things are happening across the globe in world famous institutions would be learnt by our sponsors, and then they would come back and implement that in the